everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video on some of the benefits of wrapping your exhaust pipes. The main benefit is shielding of the heat from the surrounding areas. And I just want to talk about the wrapping that I've done on the J pipe on my 2017 WRX. The turbocharger is at the bottom of this engine in the front. The exhaust comes right in from the back. Nice short travel. The heat shielding from the stock headers is still there, but I have an aftermarket ETS Gessie catted J pipe. The catalytic converter is in the stock location, so I am compliant. No codes on the engine. It's running great, so I just wanted to throw that out there. But I did lose my heat shielding taking the factory pipe off. So there's a large area of the J pipe that is still directly under the engine bay. So I wanted to wrap that to keep the engine as cool as I can. I don't have money for a radiator yet, and in any case I want to just make it more efficient. And so I was researching other benefits, and I found out that when the burst of heated exhaust gases come out of the exhaust side, in this case it's going to go into the headers first and then go into the turbocharger, and it'll be a little different than in something that's naturally aspirated. But the reason you get such gains in horsepower and torque when you open up that J pipe out of the turbo is that the back pressure is reduced, so the engine emissions, the hot gases, come out faster, and they don't hit cool piping and cool air right away, so they travel further faster, and that can help in scavenging, which occurs when basically it's kind of like the Venturi effect. Pressure goes from high to low in any environment, and when you have the lowest pressure possible going out of your engine, it'll suck some of more fresh air in, and then you can get kind of a nice full fresh intake stroke, and give you a little bit more horsepower, and that actually increases as your RPMs go up. So you're creating this nice flow coming out of your engine and going into the engine. So that's the second benefit. And I kind of stumbled on a third benefit, and that is I had not a terrible drone, but kind of an annoying drone. I have 3-inch mid pipe as well. It is resonated, but it's a pretty open flow, and I have a muffler delete. So I'm basically wide open except for the catalytic converter and resonator in the middle of the mid pipe. So I'm it was getting a drone at around 1900 to 2100 RPM. And after I wrapped it a little bit, I drove it for like a week or so, and I just noticed like that drone is gone. And kind of what I realized is that those fluid dynamics of the air coming through, the heat dynamics, all of those things working to create a nice clean flow out of the exhaust system, reduced the resonance in my system under the cabin, and so I didn't get that resonating noise coming up, which is we call a drone, but it's just a resonant noise from the exhaust resonating from the system, and then the surrounding areas, it hits the cabin, and then it resonates inside and creates this, it's like sitting in a drum. So I thought that was an awesome benefit. So I just wanted to put this out there because I know a lot of people complain about drone. It kills the daily driver aspect. If you have a race car, probably doesn't matter. Wrap it for the heat gains, the performance and all that. But if you're getting a drone, I recommend at least trying it. Every engine's going to be a little different, but with the system components I have, the exhaust components I have, wrapping the exhaust and getting that exhaust flow quickly through and to the back end of the system. Eliminated that pulse hitting cool air under my cabin, and so my drone's gone. The engine is still just as loud. It's just coming from the back end of the car instead of inside of it. So hope that gives you some hope and I hope you try it. I got my wrap at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, but you can order it online, spend a little more, but I think most auto parts stores will have it. Make sure you get some stainless steel locking straps. They do sell kits that have like, I don't know, like let's say they have like 20 feet or something of the wrap, and comes with like 4 straps, and that should, if you use that in one solid wrap, that'll get you what you need. But I would put a couple on each end point. So I have a little bit more of the J-pipe I need to wrap under my engine bay, and then I'll be done wrapping that. So I happened to run out, but mine is the Engineering Design is the manufacturer. It's pretty popular, and it's a fiberglass wrap. It's black. I just want to get black because it looks cool. I got a kind of a silver and black theme going. On the fiberglass, just follow the directions, real easy. Fiberglass, most of the time you have to soak it, make it pliable. Keep the, I would recommend wearing a mask and safety glasses when you're wrapping it anyways, because you don't want fibers of glass flying in your lungs and nose and eyes. So be safe, but I hope this helps. If it does, let me know in the comments. I really hope this kind of sets out a great precedent and everybody starts enjoying their daily a little more, and keep going. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'd appreciate some likes, and trying to get this channel to where I can sustain my hobby. Right now it's kind of stalled out, kind of out of budget. I think once in a while I could probably get a $70, $100 part here and there, but I'm just gonna wait until I can get something really cool. So probably be a while before I put anything performance driven. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you later.